So hello and good evening, my dear friends. This is BK Mathur. Today I am here to tell you about the beginners batch. I have started the beginners batch. This batch is a comprehensive batch for those students who want to learn English from very beginning. So if you are searching such platform where you can start your learning from very basic from A, B, C, D and want to be on the top of English, want to be fluent in English, so this batch is for you. I have the number of students and all have the same questions, and the question is that, sir, I don't have any knowledge of English, so how can I learn? So by just taking all such examples, I have started this batch. At this present time, this batch is going to be started on 20th June. So if you are interested to join this course, so you must watch this video till the end. I will tell you each and everything about this batch. So as you can see on the screen, the name of the batch is the beginners batch. In this batch, you will get the live classes, the fully live classes for 3 months. Yes, 3 months. I will teach you everything regarding spoken English for 3 months in the live classes. This batch has many facilities. First, the most important is the live classes where you will interact with me for 3 months regularly from Monday to Saturday. But if you miss any live classes, we have one option, and that is you can watch the recording of live classes after when we end the live classes. As the live class is finished, you can watch it on the platform. In this live class, you will get, as you can see on the screen, you will get these facilities. The first one is that you will get the live classes. After live classes, you will get its PDF, like the board PDF. Apart from the board PDF, you will get the practice sheet of that topic. Most of you have the question, and the question is that, sir, I feel weakness in vocabularies. When it comes to speak, I'm unable to speak confidently because of lack of vocabulary. So I have also one solution for that. Every day I will share a sheet with you, and in that sheet it will be around 15 to 20 vocabularies. That is day-to-day life, day-to-day vocabularies. So if you continue it for like 3 months with the batches, at the end of the batch, you will have the great knowledge of vocabularies, and you will have the package of vocabularies where you can confidently speak, write, and understand English. In the live classes, we have a practice method, and that practice method is that we will do every day audio video practice. Most of you are my student, and you know very well how I encourage you to make video. Making video is very important for learning. Why? You know very well, because we are not surrounded with such environment where we can talk we can talk to the people in English, and we can practice our English. So we have the lack interaction environment of English. So that's why I will just create such environment where you can do audio video practice and enhance your knowledge as well as your confidence. So every day I will give you a topic, and you have to make a video on that topic, and you have to send me. I will personally check, and even I will upload on my platform. If you feel you are weak in English, don't worry. I will I will start this batch from scratch. Scratch means what? Very beginning. आपने एक word और भी सीखा है, scratch. From scratch means बहुत ही एकदम बेसिक लेवल से. और जो भी आप में से वीक स्टूडेंट है, डोंट वरी, जस्ट आई विल पर्सनली हेल्प यू, एंड आई विल पर्सनली कॉल यू, एंड आई विल पर्सनली आस्क यू व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम. Overall, I want to say, when you purchase this course, when you get admission in this course, and take the live class regularly, you will not feel that कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती एंड मैं नहीं सीख पाऊंगा. एट द एंड ऑफ द कोर्स आफ्टर 1 month or 2 month you will feel that कि I can speak English. The course price at this time is on monthly basis. If you want to buy the complete course, you can pay 399. But you have also one option, that is if you want to pay on monthly basis, like you can pay 169 for 1 month. If you want to purchase for 2 months, you can just purchase on 269. So this is all about the batches, but you want to know more about it. I know you want to know about its timing, you want to know who will teach, you want to know what will be the syllabus. So its timing is 8 p.m. It will be for 1 hour, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day from Monday to Saturday. Sunday will be off, don't worry. I will personally take classes. Don't worry, no one is going to take. This is my platform, Mathur's classes. So I will take classes for 3 months. I will not change any teacher. Don't worry. So you will get such classes on Teach Me in Tap. I will take the classes on Teach Me in Tap. If you purchase this course, I will send you other video where you will know that how to take the live classes. Okay. So this is the information. Your last question, I have remembered. The question is, sir, what will be the syllabus? My dear friends, in 6 months, I have made a comprehensive syllabus of a spoken English. In that, if you just take the classes, you will get the comprehensive syllabus. Or in that syllabus, I'm not just going to spare any topic. कोई भी टॉपिक मैं नहीं छोड़ने वाला हूँ, वो सारे टॉपिक मैं पढ़ाऊंगा जो बेसिक से एडवांस लेवल तक है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि ये जो है ना बेसिक है केवल, नहीं. ये स्ट्रक्चरल बैच है जिसमें आपको आपका थॉट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पे हम बेसिक तौर पे फोकस करेंगे, कैसे आप हिंदी से इंग्लिश में सोच पाओगे. ये पूरी तरीके से उस पे है और एकदम बेसिक से शुरू करेंगे. तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. अगर आप इस बैच को परचेज कर लिए हैं तो आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलेगी जिसमें टीचमेंट को कैसे लाइव क्लासेस कैसे लेनी है. अगर आप नहीं परचेज किए हो और करना चाहते हो और इस बैच का पार्ट बनना चाहते हो तो कुछ नहीं करना है. ये जो नंबर आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रही है इस पे आप कॉल कीजिए और इस पे कॉल करने के बाद या मैसेज कीजिए कि सर मैं इस बैच में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, मुझे ये बैच ज्वाइन करना है. तो आपको मैं इस बैच में ऐड कर दूंगा और आप ये बैच ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. मैं फिर बता रहा हूँ, ये बैच जो है ये कल से शुरू हो रही है, तो समय ना गवाए. कोई भी आपका दोस्त हो उसको ज्वाइन करवाए, क्योंकि 399 रुपये में आपको पता है कि कोई भी लाइव क्लासेस 3 मंथ तक आपको नहीं पढ़ाएगा. रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो दे देगा बट लाइव क्लासेस डेली आकर के कोई नहीं पढ़ा सकता, आप अच्छी तरीके से जानते हो. तो आप इसका मोस्ट ऑफ इट इसका करना चाहते हो, मतलब इसका अत्यधिक फायदा उठाना चाहते हो तो आप जरूर ज्वाइन कीजिए. बाकी आपसे मिलेंगे हम अगले बैचेज में. ये वीडियो यूट्यूब पे भी अपलोड होगी, तो जो बच्चे यूट्यूब पे इसको देखेंगे आप इस नंबर पे कॉल करके या मैसेज करके आप हमसे जुड़ सकते हैं और मुझे व्हाट्सअप भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है कि हाँ सर मैं ये हूँ और मुझे ये बैच ज्वाइन करना है, तो मैं आपको रिप्लाई कर दूंगा और ये बैच में आपको जोड़ दूंगा. चलिए ठीक है साथियों, फिर आपसे मिलते हैं बैच में. धन्यवाद. सी यू सून.